Садись. Тихо, тихо, тихо. Ты снимаешь? Да. Охренеть. Ой, жарко сюда.
Hi guys, welcome back to Warthog Defense. I understand some of you may questioning why we depict Avdiivka as a victory for Ukraine when it resulted in loss of the city. However, it's important to recognize the concept of a Pyrrhic victory. Avdiivka represents exactly that, a costly triumph. The growing discontent within Russian forces about their command handling of battles and the high casualty rates is why we report on this aspect.
More details have emerged about the destruction of the Russian large landing ship Novocherkassk on 26 December 2023. According to a report, the local air defense system was inoperative and could not intercept the two incoming Storm Shadow missiles. Novocherkassk was reportedly under repair in Feodosia from 17 November. She was due to undergo sea trials on 26 December and was being manned by a crew of up to 90 personnel who were seconded from three other large landing ships, the Yamal, Azov, and Nikolai Filchenkov. Most of the personnel were professional, contracted sailors, with 14 conscripts also present. Many were reportedly sleeping in cabins at the time of the attack, with the commanders on the navigation bridge. Almost all of those who were sleeping are said to have been killed. The ship was hit by two missiles which struck the bow and stern, causing the immediate deaths of dozens of the crew from the initial explosions and fragmentation. The entire ship exploded catastrophically 10 minutes later, but it seems that many of the crew escaped in time. The incoming storm shadows are reported to have been detected, but the local air defense system had broken down a day before the attack and was inoperative. According to the Ukrainian resistance group Atesh, Russian air defense commanders are being punished for the lapse. Officially, 4 of the crew have died. 3 whose bodies were found in the wreckage and 1 who died in hospital, and 34 are missing, including 4 conscripts. Given that the explosion sent pieces of the ship flying over 1,170 feet, it seems unlikely they will be found. Some painful doom posting from Rus volunteer Murds. He found out the numbers of irreversible losses in Avdiivka, and it's not making him happy. And he really seems to like Syrskyi. Keep in mind that he is risking his ass by voicing this information, so it must be really getting to him. Evgeny, personally, I am the person who introduced this very term, investment, as in investing losses to achieve greater results later, into circulation in March 2023 and, as part of the 4th Infantry Motorized Rifle Brigade, very actively participated in ensuring that the counteroffensive was not as successful so far as it was declared by Ukrainians. I'm not laughing now. I feel really bad. You laugh. And exactly what makes me feel so bad. Over the fact that Syrskyi skillfully pulled out of the cauldron in Avdiivka, which was taken for a long time and with difficulty, even that small part of the Ukrainian troops that could still be pinched there. I feel bad about this because a couple of hours ago they told me numbers that I will publish after all. When you start roughly estimating from the text of the published Putin's congratulatory telegram how much this is in the burnt boxes vehicles, 4 tank regiments that distinguished themselves in advancing several kilometers over 4 months, and 1 distinguished tank division, how much is this in dead people, this whole list of distinguished motorized rifle units, which did not even include the St. Petersburg Mobile Regiment 1487, reduced almost to 0 to a control company and headquarters, which eventually went into another attack when the personnel ran out. Perhaps it's not so bad. Maybe I'm wrong. But then we already have the numbers. Since October. From Nevelskoye to Novosolovka. 16,000 irretrievable losses on our part. And about 300 knocked out armored vehicles. And the enemy, having carried out a defensive battle and suffered, in the best case for us, irretrievable losses of 5,000 to 7,000 during the same time, this is my rough estimate and not some known data, says goodbye and leaves to new, pre-prepared positions. However, that's not even the worst thing, dear Evgeny. If, as a result of all this, as well as based on the results of Marinka, a large criminal case had been opened, it would not have been so bad. The worst thing in this story, the worst sign of future new fuck-ups, is that a soldier from the destroyed Regiment 1487, when he brings a statement to the St. Petersburg Military Prosecutor's Office, is refused to accept this statement according to the established procedure, popularly explaining that those whom he wants to punish those who have already been appointed heroes. And you, soldiers, die in silence.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in